Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4 Bluetooth wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. This hard reset can fix a lot of problems if they are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting, or they're not connecting to the right device and you just want to get a fresh start, have them forget all devices and get a fresh start. Or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues, and it's very easy. So all we need to do is, with our earbuds in their case as shown, we're going to go around in the back of the case. You'll see at the bottom in the back there's a small circular button. You're just going to press and hold that button, and you're going to watch this light here. The light's going to blink, and you're just going to keep holding, and you're going to keep holding until the light goes solid white, as seen here. It'll stay solid white for several seconds. Once that happens, you can release, and the earbuds have been reset. So then you will need to repair them to whichever device you want to use them on.